True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So guys, I'm in St. Elizabeth. I'm in the Appleton area. You see that sign right there? You have Appleton Estate right across from it. Yeah man, you have the Appleton Estate right across from it. That's Appleton Estate over there. Yeah man, so we don't have an idea where I'm going. So welcome guys, so let's take a journey in this area in St. Elizabeth. Yeah man, you all need to know St. Elizabeth, how to get around in the St. Elizabeth area. A lot of people traveling and they don't want to see the area before they visit. So I'm in the Appleton area guys, in St. Elizabeth. So a lot of workers, like Appleton workers, they're doing some work over this area. Yeah man, see a lot of workers over here. You can see the rooftop kind of gone and things. So yeah, some guys over there putting in some work. Yeah man. So we're on our journey. You know, so each one help one. So we are heading towards the Maggotty area guys. You know the Maggotty town area? Yeah man. Big up yourself, Papi. While I join at the early morning. You know one place I'm calling him Coca Bridge. I think we're gonna cross the Coca Bridge also. If you make the left turn, guys, will take you all to the Coker area. It is C-O-K-E-R, Coker. Money Sports Bar on your right. Wow, so this is where you have Camp Fire Reid. Wow. Yeah, man, so this is the turn off to Camp Fire Reid. Yeah, I'm just make a turn around. Camp Fire Reid Adventure. Yeah, man. So a lot of people will hear about this place and never really get to see how to get around here. So we're heading back on the main road, guys. Yes, we're heading back on the main road. Yeah, man. So I'm gonna make the right turn, which take us all to the Maggotty town area. Reach the roundabout, which take us, if you make the right turn, will take you all to Maroon Town or a compound town. This is the roundabout, so I'm gonna make the left. The left turn will take you all to the Maggotty is a small town area. So on the right, you have the Maggotty High School. So thank you guys for watching the channel. True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid.